Estonian e-Residency provides a digital identity, enabling entrepreneurs to establish European companies and access EU banking services. The application process involves filling in personal details such as name, nationality, passport number, address, and business purpose on the e-Residency website. Applicants must upload a passport scan, a passport-sized photo, and a concise application reason under 500 characters. After paying the application fee, approximately 120, applicants select New Delhi or Mumbai as the pickup location. The processing time for the e-Residency application typically ranges from 2 to 4 weeks. A virtual address in Estonia provides a legal business presence without requiring physical office space. Virtual address services include a registered business address, mail handling, and document scanning. To set up a virtual address, research and select a service provider. Register the virtual address with your company during the company formation process. The virtual address will be used for official correspondence and legal compliance. Company registration in Estonia requires applying for e-Residency and obtaining a virtual address. The e-business register is used to complete the company registration process. A company name and business activity code must be selected during registration. A contact person must be appointed, and the virtual address provided as the company's official location. After submitting the required information and paying the registration fee, the company is officially registered in Estonia. Company registration in Estonia allows conducting business within the EU. Registering a company in Estonia requires a physical business address and a legal contact person within the country. Virtual office address services offer a solution for entrepreneurs operating remotely. These services provide a legitimate Estonian business address, legal representation, and mail forwarding. Some virtual office services offer full accounting and compliance packages for a monthly or yearly fee. Company registration begins by logging into the Estonian e-business register with an e-Residency digital card. The registration process involves initiating a new company registration and selecting the appropriate company type, such as OU. Company details, articles of association, and share capital information must be added during registration. A registration fee is required, and the approval process typically takes 1-2 business days. After successful registration, entrepreneurs can open a European business bank account with institutions like Wise, Paysera, or Revolut. Entrepreneurs can also obtain an EU VAT number after company registration. With a bank account and VAT number, the Estonian company can legally conduct export, IT, consulting, or e-commerce business remotely. These steps enable the Estonian company to operate from anywhere in the world.